We are entering the final month before 2026. If you want next year to be different, these are 5 skills that will actually matter. AI is growing faster than any technology in history. Over 60% of companies are already using AI tools. If you don't know how to use them, you fall behind instantly. Did you know? How to make AI images, how to make AI videos, how to use automation tools, how to use AI for research, content, and productivity. If you don't know these things, so learn it. People are creating YouTube videos in 24 hours using AI. Not because they're experts, but because AI does 70% of the work. This is the easiest high-leverage skill to learn right now. Most people don't know this. Sales is the highest paying skill in the world without needing a degree. Real sales means understanding psychology, asking the right questions, positioning solutions, closing clearly and respectfully. A good salesperson can make more than engineers, programmers, and managers because they bring revenue. AI can't replace human trust. If you learn sales, you always have income. Coding is still powerful, but learning it traditionally can take years. AI reduces that time by 90%. Did you know that? How to ask AI to build websites, apps, or tools, how to understand and improve AI-generated code, how to fix errors using AI, how to build prototypes fast. If your answer is no, so learn it. People with zero coding background are building real apps by using AI correctly, not by writing every line, but by prompting, testing, and improving. This skill is rare and valuable in the AI era. Editing is not a get-rich-quick skill. It's a supportive skill that increases your quality in everything you create. What to learn: clean cuts, text animations, short-form pacing, basic sound design, thumbnail fundamentals. Even basic editing skills can save your money, help you run a YouTube channel, and make your content look professional. This is a practical skill, not a hype skill. This is not about money. This is about long-term productivity. Examples: sports for stamina, chess for strategy, gym for discipline, martial arts for focus, cycling or run-in for energy. Reason: your brain works better when your body works better. Productive people always have at least one offline skill. These 5 skills are realistic, useful, and future-proof. All of them can be learned free on YouTube. Start today and build momentum for 2026. If you want more practical videos like this, subscribe.